In today's class, we are going to see about new topic components of food in chapter 2. First, we are all eat different food items in India. Then we also identified food items eaten in different parts of India. For taking example, meal. Meal consists of different different components. First, the meal have rice, then sambar, then vegetable preparation of lady's finger. First, rice. Rice have what nutrition contains rice? Then சாம்பார் could consist of pulses. அதாவது நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்ல, இப்போ நம்ம வீட்டில் அம்மா வந்து மதர் வந்து சாம்பார் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணக்குள்ள அதில் என்னென்ன ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஆட் பண்ணுவாங்க? பல்சஸ் மீன் அந்த துவரம் பருப்பு பச்சை பருப்புன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களே, தட்ஸ் ஆர் பல்சஸ். தென் வெஜிடபிள் ப்ரிப்பரேஷன். வெஜிடபிள் ப்ரிப்பரேஷனுக்கு have more than 2 ingredients. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், then ladies finger curry. Thus ladies finger curry consists of onion, tomato and chilli and curry leaves and lady's finger. Then yet another meal could be appam, fish curry and vegetables. Okay students, do you think that our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? Then already we are learnt before topic in food, where does it come from? That class we will learnt what do you mean by nutrients. What do you mean by nutrients? These components of food is called nutrients. What are the components? Carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. These are called components. That is called nutrients. It is very needed for our body. In addition, food items contain dietary fibers and water. Then we will move next topic. What do different food items contain? First, we know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants and animals. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு ஃபுட்டு சமைக்கிறோன்னா அந்த ஃபுட்டில் there are one or more ingredients இருந்தால் தான் அந்த ஒரு ப்ரிப்பரேஷனே கரெக்டாக வரும் இல்லையா? That these ingredients contain some components that are needed to our body. This is called nutrients. Then there are four major groups of components. First one, carbohydrate, then protein, then fat, then vitamins and minerals. For taking example, carbohydrate. This carbohydrate contains pulses and cereals. For taking example, rice. Then protein consists of meat, egg and milk. For taking example, meat, egg and milk. Then fat consists of oil food. Then vitamin and minerals. The vitamin and minerals are present in vegetables and fruits. Then we will move tests in nutrients components. What are all the components of nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein and fats. Then we will see next 3 types of tests. The test means what? Actually இப்போ ஒரு ஃபுட் இருக்குன்னா அந்த ஃபுட்டில் கார்போஹைட்ரேட், ப்ரோட்டீன் ஆர் விட்டமின் அண்ட் ஃபேட் இதெல்லாம் இருக்கிறதான்னு செக் பண்ணி பார்க்குறது தான் இந்த டெஸ்ட். இந்த மாதிரி டெஸ்ட் தான் இப்போ நம்ம பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட், கார்போஹைட்ரேட். எந்தெந்த ஃபுட்டில் கார்போஹைட்ரேட் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படின்றத டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் ஸ்டார்ச். அதாவது ஸ்டார்ச் கண்டெய்ன்ஸ் கார்போஹைட்ரேட். ஓகேவா? அந்த மாதிரி we will see. Then test for protein. அதாவது எந்தெந்த இன்க்ரீடியன்ஸில் ப்ரோட்டீன் நியூட்ரியன்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்க போகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் டெஸ்ட் ஃபார் ஃபேட் எந்தெந்த இன்க்ரீடியன்ஸில் இருக்குதுன்னு பார்க்க போகிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் we will move students. First one, test for starch. Starch contains carbohydrate, for example pulses and cereals. Okay students, first you will take small amount of food. For taking example, பொட்டேட்டோவை கொஞ்சமாக கட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஸ்மால் பீசஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறோம், எடுத்துகிட்டு ஒரு மேஷ் பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கிறோம். We will take small amount of food. Then first we will take test tube, clean test tube. Then we will add the small quantity of food. Then we will put 2 or 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. First This is a clean test tube. We'll added the food, small mash of potato, then added the 2 or 3 drops of iodine solution. Observe carefully, then wait for few minutes. Then this mixture is easily turned to blue black in color. Actually, first we will add the food, then 2 or 3 drops of add iodine solution, then mixture, wait for few minutes, then this mixture color will change, it turns the blue in black color. So we also contains carbohydrate and then it's food. Then in this method, this test is repeated for each and every food items in other food items. Then students repeat this test with the other food items. We are understood, students. Then test for protein. Then students, test for protein. First we will take test tube and take some food protein contains food item. Protein contain food items already I told, for example meat or milk and egg. Then this food items take in powder form, will mash the form. First take milk powder and add the test tube one, then another one they add the few drops of 10 drops of water, then add the 2 drops of copper sulfate solution, then 10 drops of caustic soda solution. Wait for few minutes in test tube stand, then this color changed into the violet color. This color is indicate the presence of protein, it contains food. We are all understood, students. First the test tube added some food items in milk powder, then added 10 drops of water, then we add the 10 drops of caustic soda and 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. Then this mixture is turns into the violet in color. So this violet in color, it indicates the presence of protein in milk powder. Repeat this test with other food items, students. Then test for fat. The most of the food items contains fat. For taking example meat already contains cholesterol, that is a fat. Then another one groundnut oil and coconut oil. This oil food items contains oil. For taking example, first I take small piece of paper, then some take of food items, then this paper crush the food items. See, observe, then oil is patches coming. See this paper, this oil patches came. This is so that food also contain fat content. We are all understood, students. Oily patches. Do at your home. And fourth one, vitamin and minerals. These vitamins, for example, vegetables and fruits. These food items contains vitamins and minerals. We are all understood, students. What are the topics we are learned today? First, what do you mean by components? Then what do different food items contains? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Then test in nutrients, components. There are 3 tests are there. Test for starch, test for protein, test for fat, test for starch. This starch contains carbohydrate. Then take some food, they add the test tube, then add the 2 and 3 drops of iodine solution. This color will change. This color is blue black in color. This blue black color indicates the presence of carbohydrate in food. Then we will see test for protein. First take one test tube and add the solid form of food item. Then add the 10 drops of water. Then we will add 10 drops of caustic soda and 2 drops of copper sulfate solution. This wait for few minutes. Then the color will change in violet in color. This violet is indicate the presence of protein in all the food item. Then test for fat. The some of the food items contain fat. For example, meat and groundnut oil. Already I seen this oil patches is came. So some of the food contains fat. It's give energy for our human body. Then vitamin and minerals. The vitamin and minerals present the vegetables and fruits and some other food items. We are already understood, students. Then we will see mind map. This is your mind map. Components of food. Four topics are there. What do different food items contain? These topics in today we are learned. Then second one, various nutrients in our body. Then balanced diet. Then deficiency of diseases. Then remaining 3 topics we will learn tomorrow. Then D words of this lesson. Components, elements means கூறுகள், nutrients, sources in சத்துக்கள், carbohydrates, தமிழ் meaning carbohydrate, then proteins, புரதங்கள், fats, கொழுப்புகள், vitamins, வைட்டமின்கள், dietary fibers, உணவு இழைகள், quantity means அளவு, raw material, மூலப்பொருட்கள், iodine solution, iodine mixture, then copper sulfate, செம்புச்சல் பேற்று, then caustic soda, எரிசோடா, patch means இணைப்பு, then starch, மாவுச்சத்து, then sugars, சர்க்கரை. This topic of small mind map and 2 1 mark and 3 fill in the blanks and 3 true or false and write 2 examples of which of the following: carbohydrate, protein and fat. Then write one word for each of the following: protein and carbohydrate and fat rich in foods. We are all understood, students. Thank you. இதுக்கான notes, classwork notes உங்களுக்கு homeworkல send பண்ணுவோம். Thank you, students.